Hi, it's Michelle with Daily Pay Business. And in this video, you guys, I'm going to share with you how you can make it 10K by Christmas from your phone without you having to talk to people, without you having to find customers, without you having to find people that want to buy from you. From the apps on your phone, I will show you how you can make 10K this year. Okay, so let's dive into it. Let me share my screen. And we are going to dive right into exactly how you, my friend, can make 10K by Christmas. Okay. I want you to think about that. Let's have a little fun real quick here. What would you do with 10K by Christmas? I mean, seriously, you guys, like, what would you do? Because here's the thing. I'm not talking about all the material things that you can do, but I'm talking about all the fun things you can do, like the cool Christmas dinner you can take your family out, or maybe the Christmas shows that you can go to, or maybe the bigger tree or more trees. Think about all the things that you can do, but also think about what it can lead to in the year 2024. To me, that's what's really exciting. So let's dive right into this information. Okay. And by the way, I'm going to give you access to a free PDF that you can follow to teach you step by step how to do this. So the first step, you have to have something to promote, right? What type of product or service should you promote to make 10K before Christmas? These are the 4 different digital products I highly recommend you promoting. Why these products? Because they're in high demand. You guys, not only are people, thousands and thousands and thousands of people a day searching in the e-learning industry for digital products to learn these skills, but you make 100% profit. What makes more sense to you, my friend? Does making 25% profit make more sense to you, or 100% profit? Because my most selling product, my popular product, is a $600 product. Would you rather make $600 on a $600 product, or would you rather make 25% of a $600 product? Because that's $150, and you're making the company $450. See, that's why I struggled before, because I was promoting products and making about 25%. So I had to do 4 times the work to make 100% profit. You guys, when I discovered this method in digital marketing, it was 13 months ago. And because when I learned you can make 100% profit on done for you products, I learned, oh my gosh, I was working way too hard. So today I'm going to show you how to make 10K by Christmas following a 2-hour working process. And nope, you don't need no following. And nope, you don't need to be extrovert. I'm actually an introvert, and I had 0 followers on TikTok when I followed this process. And it took me to 6 figures in 6 months. So yes, I can show you how to make 10K by Christmas if you show up and do the work though. Okay, so let me share my screen again, and we're going to keep on going. Okay, so I recommend these products. I will actually show you how you can market these products and get the resale rights on these products. Okay, so I will also give you for free this fully pre-built automated system for you. You guys, it's proven to work. It's literally out there working 24/7 for me. This is how you can build an online business for time freedom. This is how you literally can spend more time with your family, but be able to make more income because of these pages right here. Okay, so let me explain to you guys. This page is where people are going to put their email in. And this page right here, right there, is where your website's going to be. So at any time, anybody can buy from you. And right here as well, your website's in there. So I will show you how to utilize this copy and paste method to get eyeballs back to this page. Okay? So this is how you have a rejection-free business. So we have a copy and paste free ads to high traffic websites. And I will also show you how to utilize social media as well. Do you guys realize there's 4.8 billion people on social media? All we need is to get traffic back to your offer. 4.8 billion people. I think you can find what you need to make 10K by Christmas. And I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. So right here is part of your training. So you're going to learn, again, we'll give you 200 pre-written ads, how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free, how to use Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You decide which platform or platforms you want to use, okay? Now, if you're going, Michelle, I don't want to do videos, It's okay, you don't have to. Here's an example of what's called a faceless video, right? Where there's just words on the screen. These words on the screen will stop the scroll of your potential perfect customer. And then we do what's called a CTA to drive traffic back to here. So what is a CTA? Check it out. See the call to action right here. To learn more, put yes in the comments, right? If you want to learn more, put yes in the comments. My friends, that's a CTA. That's all we do. We drive traffic back to this page. So let me just recap that real quick. You guys, I have over 1,500 customers in the last 13 months. I've never had to find one of those customers. I've never had to ask anybody to buy from me. I've never heard the word no. It's all through automations, all because I followed a method called the copy and paste free ads. I'll do that for 30 minutes a day. Here's a 2-hour working process for 30 minutes a day. And then I will create 3 pieces of content. It can be video, it can be picture posts, it can be faceless videos. 3 a day can equal daily pay. It takes me about an hour to create those videos. That's an hour and a half. Then I will spend 30 minutes between answering emails or the CTAs, which what is a CTA? The call to action. And all I do is put in visit dailypaybusiness.com for blueprint details, just like you're seeing on the screen. That's one of my videos that just got a lot of views. And I just put dailypaybusiness.com. That's it. So when somebody emails you, what do they ask? They usually just ask, so what's the difference of the 4 products? I've created Loom videos that you can have, and all you got to do is send them those videos when they ask questions. You guys, it's fully automated. You don't have to ever DM people. You don't have to ever worry about getting a DM from anybody. You don't have to worry about finding a customer or asking your friends and family to buy from you. It's fully automated. So how many customers do you need to make 6 or 10K by the holidays? You ready? Let's cover that part, because to me, that's one of the most important things that you need to know, right? What are the numbers? So this page converts at like 50%. So what does that mean? That means if 40 people a day land on this page, 20 are going to ask for more information. And between these 2 pages, you guys, 1 out of 20 are buying from you. So what's going to happen is people are going to be going through your automations while you are doing the things that you love. I now travel with my family, and we make the most coolest experiences, you guys, because I don't have the pressure of having to find a customer or DMing people. It's a fully automated business that's literally out there working for you 24/7. So let me pull the roadmap. Ready? So here it is. 17 customers times 600 is 10,200. So let me ask you this question. Do you think if you follow my proven process and you utilize social media in my copy and paste method, there's 4.8 billion people on social media. Do you think you could find 17? Attract 17 to you by Christmas? Yes or yes? Absolutely. Now, it's no guarantee, because I don't know your worth ethic, right? I don't know if you're going to show up and do the process, but that's what we're going to focus on between now and Christmas. And I'm going to help you because I do live mentoring calls. You can get on calls live with me 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursdays. And I offer them at different times to accommodate every time zone. This way, my friend, you can be on track of reaching your goals and dreams. Check this out, because you're going to be part of an amazing community as well. So you're going to get to know people, learn from people. We're going to celebrate your success. This is our community right here. Let me show you what's going on inside our community. You get access to this. Like when I'm recording this right now, it's 4,200 people inside the community, but I want you to check this out. Look at this. They got their first commission, 914 leads in 48 hours. How awesome is that? Look, another $600 sale. This just came in 4 hours ago. She got her first sale that just came in. Look, a $300 sale. She's made 1 million in Rand money in 22 weeks. That is 53,000 in the US in 22 weeks. Okay. You guys, she's hit the 20K club in 81 days. Look, there's another $600 that rolled in. 50,000 in 9 weeks. Do you think our system works? Yes or yes. Look, $1,200 flying. Look, this is what's happening right now inside our community. We want to celebrate you. Look at this, officially daily pay, $1,200 in the last 2 days for 4 hours of work because we follow a 2-hour working process. Look, a $300 day, a $600 day. I think you get the point, right? Our system works. You just have to be coachable and willing to plug into the system. Why not work for 10K by Christmas and have fun? All we do is create 3 pieces of content a day. And I show you how to do that. Let me show you that. Ready? You want to see this part as well? Inside our community, because you're probably going right now, well, I don't know what to say. I don't know what kind of content to create. Check this out. We have inside our community, we have a 90-day ramp up going on that you get to be part of. But I want you to see something. Look, 21 video ideas. You see that? You get 21 video hooks, okay? And look at this day, you get, well, we did a live webinar. We're going to do webinars also to help you build your goals and dreams. Look at this. Okay, also look, here is truth bomb goals to stop the scroll. We give you ideas of pieces of content to create. Look at this. We will also help you find your perfect customer. You guys are, look at this. You are equipped with everything that you need to reach your goals and dreams. So my friend, if you are coachable, if you're willing to be consistent, if you're willing to follow our 2-hour working process, you can get equipped with what you need to make 10K by Christmas. But think about the skills that you have learned when you reach that, how you can completely change your goals and dreams and reach your goals for 2024. So if you want to get access to the PDF, and if you want to, all you got to do is just reply to this video, right? And if you want to learn more, and if you're ready to start working with me, all you got to do is go to dailypaybusiness.com. Or if you're watching the email right now, this in the email, all you got to do is reply back to the email or go down to the PS, and there is going to be where you can go ahead and get started. Now, what I want you to do is the moment you get started, I need you to email me because I will be doing a getting started training, quick start training next week where we're going to launch your business because we got to get launched so you can be getting closer to that 10K by Christmas. Okay. So make sure you reply to the email. Let me know that you purchased, and we'll be doing that Monday or Tuesday. We'll be launching your business. So take action now. So hope this helped, and I look forward to working with you. And I can't wait to see how your Christmas is different this year in 2023.